Are you unsatisfied with the customer service of your bank? Is your bank charging you excessively? Unexplained charges. Did you get a massive debit on your account and you were not the one that withdrew it, and you have complained to your bank and they are being nonchalant about it? Did you try to make a withdrawal at the automated teller machine? Money did not come out. Your account was debited and you have been to the bank to complain and they seem to be nonchalant about it. Congratulations. Today is your good day. I will show you a method that your money will come out. Your problem will be solved in just 2 weeks. Simple method, step by step, and it will work 100%. So grab your popcorn, open that sachet water, and, enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, what inspired this video was because, I went to the bank. Okay, one of the finest girls in my area, in my neighborhood, I saw her at the bank looking so sweet. But what she was doing was not sweet. This girl was shouting, raising her voice. She was causing mayhem at the bank. What is the problem? She said that she was debited to the tune of 100,000. In this economy, 100,000 left on her account to an unknown destination. Hello? And that, she got the debit alert. She has taken it to the bank. Bank keep telling her, come back in 5 working days. Banks and 5 working days, they are like twins. All those bankers, they like 5 working days. They have been telling some people, come back in 5 working days for the past 5 years. Problem has not been solved. So this girl was shouting down the whole bank. She was even promising to strip herself naked. That's when I said, is this playing? What kind of playing is that? And I approached her. I said, see, don't strip yourself naked. That's going to be like insult upon injury. They stole your money, now you want to give them a free show. Calm down. There are steps to take. You are a graduate. You are learned. You don't come and shout at the bank. Let me teach you a step-by-step way that will guarantee that you get your money back without stripping yourself naked. So I told her to calm down. And here are the steps that you can take to report your bank. Step 1. The first thing you do is don't go to the bank and start shouting. No, that's not good enough. You are more than that now. You're a big boy. You're a big girl. Don't go and shout with them. What you do is that you contact your bank through their customer service number. Explain the problem to them. That's the first thing to do before you go and show up and start shouting. Or you reach them through any of their social media handles. Tell them, this is what happened, this is what happened, that is what happened, and listen to them, okay? Whatever they tell you to do, do. If the problem is not resolved within the time frame that they gave you that it would be resolved, that is only when you can now move to step 2, okay? So the first thing is, tell your bank, get them involved via their social media handle, give their customer service lines a call, tell them the problems, describe it to the best of your ability. If that fails, then we go to step number 2. Now, step number 2 is, what you guys don't know is that banks have the big boss. They have the apex bank. That is the central bank. That is the boss of all bosses, okay? Now, you will send a letter to your bank. Get their email addresses, the customer service address, all the relevant email addresses of that your bank. Get it. And I will show you a template with which you will draft your letter and you will send it to them. Wallahi talai. Your problem will become the problem of your bank manager. He will not sleep. If his wife calls him, baby, come closer, he will say, no. There's a problem in the office. If I don't solve it, we are not having fun tonight. Hello. In fact, he will not eat. They will be on their toes until they solve that your problem. Now, what I will do is I will read out the letter to you. Yes, when I read out the letter to you, grab your pen and your paper and start writing down the exact thing that I am saying. Okay? Just grab your pen and paper and start writing word for word everything I say. If you miss anything, Stop, rewind, play, listen. I'll try to be as clear as possible. Are you ready? Is your pen with you? Let's go. Now, you will write the topic. Whatever happened, let it be the topic. 100,000 mysteriously left my account. Yadi, yadi, yadi. Customer service person insulted me. I've been having excessively high charges on everything I do. Unexplained charges. Write everything. Then, that should be the topic. Okay? Now, the letter begins now. Grab your pen and paper. The above matter refers. That's the first thing you write. Put full stop. The above matter. That's the topic I asked you to write. Refers. Bam. Now, the next paragraph. By virtue of the provisions of section 2, then in brackets D, I'll repeat. By virtue of the provisions of section 2, then in brackets D, of the Central Bank of Nigeria, in brackets CBN, Act 2007, comma, and the steps taken by the CBN to fulfill that mandate through the Financial System Stability Directorate via the CBN Circular. Take note of this CBN Circular. FPR/dir/CIR/GEN/01/020. It will be on the screen. In 2011, brackets, the circular. I am officially making a complaint about the service I have received from your bank. Full stop. Specifically, my complaint relates to hyphen. You will now insert your complaint. Okay? E.g., unauthorized ATM withdrawal, unfair bank charge, you state it. Okay? Then, you now say the facts are as follows, hyphen. You will explain further. Insert an explanation of the issue you are complaining about, including the date of the transaction, the amount involved, previous contact you have had within the bank, e.g., call to customer care team or social media interaction, like the first step I said you should take. Make reference to it. See the mails I've sent. See the calls I have made. Nothing has happened. Then, you continue the letter. As a result of the above, I believe that you have failed in your duties and responsibility to me as a customer of your bank. Hey, problem is coming. I am requesting that this complaint be resolved specifically. I am requesting that, then you not tell them exactly what you want. Okay? The transaction should be reversed immediately. That money that left my account. Or the transaction should be processed immediately. Or any complaint, you tell them what you want exactly. After that, you will now say, I understand that under the directives provided by the circular, which number we quoted earlier, I am entitled to a response within 14 working days of your receipt of this request. And I look forward to receiving a satisfactory response within the specified time frame. If upon the expiration of 14 days, I do not receive a satisfactory resolution of my complaint, now you want to threaten them, I will be forced to refer this issue to the Customer Protection Directorate of the CBN. Full stop. The next paragraph. If you require any clarification, I expect you to contact me through the contact details provided in the address section of this letter. And I look forward to receiving a response within 14 days. Yours faithfully. Put your name. Put a signature. This is better than going to shout in any bank. If you go and shout in a bank and you strip yourself naked, you make a public show and disgrace of yourself. Hello? The bankers, they will even look forward to seeing it. Because when that lady said she wanted to strip herself naked, I noticed all the male bankers that were pressing computer before, they left their work and they were looking. They wanted her to do it. Now, I will tell you how to report them if after 14 working days, you don't get a positive response. You will now have to contact the Consumer Protection Directorate of the CBN. How do you do that? That is the step 3. Step number 3. If after doing all that we did in step number 2, they still did not resolve the matter within 14 working days, that is when you will now send a message to the Consumer Protection Department of CBN. It's like these people are looking for trouble. Because you know that the central bank is the apex bank. They can impose strict financial punishment on any bank whatsoever. So right now, you will now send a mail to the Consumer Protection Department of CBN. You will detail all the steps that you have made before. I have called these people. I have sent them a mail. Okay? You can even attach a copy of that mail to this Consumer Protection Department mail you want to send. This one is the bomb that you want to send. And the email address of the Consumer Protection Department of CBN is cpd@cbn.gov.ng on your screen. Or you may file a complaint using the online form provided by CBN on
cbn.gov.ng/contact/complaint
and /. I'll leave it on your screen. So when you take these steps, trust me, the banks will resolve your matter speedily. You won't even get to stage number 3. Stage number 2, they have already resolved your matter and everybody is happy. Okay, so you don't need to go to the bank and threaten them with your nakedness. Your nakedness will not bring your money. Okay, so, give this video a like if you liked the video so that the YouTube algorithm will recommend it to more and more people. Share it within your social media community. And of course, please subscribe. And you guys may counterpunch in the comment section below. Till I see you in the next one, it's bye for now.